In front of me is Honor 200 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and tap on Themes. Following that, to apply one of those under Gallery or Yours section, just click on the chosen one. If you want to customize it instead, tap on Customized at the top. Select Start. Tap on Add Image and click on a perfect one for you. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select one of those options at the bottom if you want some help. You can also adjust the brightness by swiping left or right on this slider after clicking on Sun icon. When you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. Then manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!